Small changes in plants can sometimes be a sign of a bigger issue. Research has often linked this condition to anthocyanin pigmentation. Plants experiencing this issue may show signs such as pink or purple rings or discoloration inside the potato tuber. The intensity of the pink color can vary from one tuber to another. In some cases, the discoloration may spread throughout the entire tuber. Certain yellow-skinned potato varieties may also develop pink discoloration on the outside. Several factors can contribute to this. The phenomenon of potato tubers turning pink, known as anthocyanin pigmentation, can occur for a number of reasons. In some potato varieties, this pink discoloration may appear when the plant is infected with potato leaf curl virus. Environmental conditions can also play a role, including light exposure, especially in tubers, growing close to the soil surface, temperature fluctuations between cool nights and warm days, as well as dry or nitrogen-rich soil conditions. You may first try organic solutions, like there are no specific organic treatments required because this is neither a disease nor a pest. Therefore, biological control is not necessary. In more advanced situations, treatments may involve. There is also no specific chemical treatment for this condition because it is not caused by a disease or pest. Once the symptoms appear in the tuber, the discoloration will not disappear. To help protect plants from this issue, to minimize pink discoloration in potato tubers, plant potatoes in wide, well-spaced rows to help reduce exposure and discoloration. Maintain consistent watering but avoid overwatering. Also, keep potato tubers protected from daylight whenever possible, except during necessary activities such as harvesting, storage, or packaging. Try to minimize direct sunlight exposure throughout the growing period. Overall, remember that the inside of a potato can sometimes turn pink. Follow the channel for more plant care knowledge.